Shipping zones allow you to specify which countries you ship to, helping you manage shipping rates and delivery times more effectively. To create a shipping zone, go to the store and click the Shipping tab. Click Add Shipping Zone. Give your shipping zone a name. Next, select the countries that will be included in this shipping zone. You can choose one or multiple countries. Group countries that share the same shipping rates together. For instance, if shipping to Canada costs more than within the United States, create separate zones for each. Now, set the shipping options for this zone. Name the shipping option, decide if it's free or paid, and specify the price and estimated delivery time. For example, you might offer a free 14-day delivery and an express 1 to 2 day delivery for $25. Once you've configured the shipping options, save your changes. Your shipping zone will now show on the shipping zone page. On the checkout page, customers will see the available shipping options for their location, where they can choose their preferred method and enter their address. If a customer's location isn't included in your shipping zones, they'll see a message indicating that you cannot ship to their location. For more information on shipping zones, visit our help center or reach our live support.